Well, hello guys. How's everybody doing? It's about 12 o'clock right now, and the temperatures here haven't got much out of the 60s all morning long, and it's chilly. It's about noontime right now, and the temperature is just breaking 70 degrees. So for us Floridians, that's cool, let me tell you. Today I wanted to bring you guys up to date on yet another must-see motorcycling event that's going to take place up in Lakeland, Florida, which is the central part of Florida. And it's going to be held December 11th and 12th of 2021. December 11th and 12th, and it's called the Wheels of Steel Custom Motorcycle Show. The Wheels of Steel Custom Motorcycle Show. I don't know how many of you guys have heard of it, but it's really supposed to be stupendous for those people who are into that sort of thing and who enjoy custom motorcycle shows. It's going to be the third annual Wheels of Steel show. It's got an admission price of $25, but the good news is it's $25 for both days. It's billed as the custom motorcycle show you are not going to want to miss. So I'm excited about it. I'm going to put some pictures up of the past year's entries, and it's going to consist of an open invitational competition, which will be indoor, a ride-in custom bike show, which will be, from what I understand, outdoors, and a live build demonstration. There's also going to be a concourse there for nothing but vintage and antique motorcycles. And the event is going to be sponsored and put on by RP Funding Exhibit Hall. And the address of this event is 701 West Lime Street, Lakeland, Florida 33815, and I'll put that address up on the screen here for you guys. It's formerly at the the address was formerly the Lakeland Civic Center. So plug that address into your GPSs, guys, if you want to see a very worthwhile custom motorcycle event. There will also be live entertainment there too, from what I understand. Okay guys, that's the update, and gonna hit the road and take it back and try to stay warm here in this blustery, coolish Floridian day.